Hello everyone! So this is my second Cvs haul for this week, November 8 to November 14 of 2020. So I able to pick up the coffee, and also I did the spend 30 and get $10 extra bucks reward. And I able to pick up the Babu bathroom tissue. So I went to two different stores because I had two BOGO coupons. One is in my card and then the other one is in my husband's card. But before I pick up the tissue, I asked first the cashier if it's okay to pick up 4. So I did 4 transactions in this haul in order for me to lower the out-of-pocket. So first I pick up the Vaseline Lotion. So there is no extra box in Vaseline Lotion, but it's 25% discount. And this is my note for that. So it's priced for $5.29 less 25%. So it became $3.96. And then I used the 2 off Vaseline Lotion CRT. And I used the $2 off Vaseline manufacturing coupon from November 1 SuperSaver. So after the coupon, it became free. And then I got 50 points in fetch. So next is I pick up the Maxwell Coffee. So it's on sale for $246. And this is my note for that. So it's $246 and then I used 2 of $2 Maxwell printable coupon from coupon.com. So total it's $4. So I paid $2 for 2 coffee or $1 each. And then I pick up also the Visine for red eye, and it will expire January 2023. So there is no extra box on this, but I had CRT and coupon. So this is my note for the Visine. So it's priced for $5.29, and then I used the $3 off any Visines, and then I used $1.50 Visine digital coupon. So I paid 79 cents and then I got back $1.50 rebate from Ibotta, making it free plus 71 cents moneymaker for the red eye. And then I pick up also the Eucerin and Aquaphor. So it's spend 20 and you will get $10 extra bucks reward. So I pick up the Aquaphor and this one. So I pick up this 16.9 ounce daily hydration lotion with SPF 15 because I'm out of this lotion. And this is my note for that. So the Aquaphor and Eucerin is spend 20 and get $10 extra bucks reward. The Aquaphor is priced for $7.49 and then the Eucerin is priced for $13.99. So my subtotal are $21.48, and then I use the 3 off any Aquaphor CRT, and then I use $2 off Aquaphor printable coupon from coupon.com. And I use also the $3 of any Eucerin printable coupon from Eucerin website. So I paid $13.48 and then I get back $10 extra bucks reward plus $1.30 rebate from Ibotta for buying the Aquaphor, making it $2.18 for 2 or $1.09 each. So the Aquaphor is limit of 5. So after I submitted this one, so I already hit the limit. And then this is my spend 30 and get $10 extra bucks reward. So the Tide Pods is priced for $11.94. And then the Gain Liquid is part of the spend 30 also, and this one is 100 ounce. And then the Gain 50 ounce is part also and is priced for $4.94. And then the Crest 3D White toothpaste is priced for $2.99. So this is the note for that. So my subtotal are $31.81. And then I used the $3 off Tide Pods printable coupon from P&G. And then I used the $3 off Gain printable coupon from P&G website. $2 off Gain printable coupon for 50 ounce Gain. And then the $1 Crest digital coupon. So I paid $22.81 and then I get back $10 extra box reward, making it $12.80 for 4 items. So it's a nice deal for the spend 30, especially the Gain is 100 ounce and also the Tide Pod is 21 count. So this is my receipt. So the coffee is $2.46 and then the Gain is $11.94. The Tide Pods is $11.94. The Crest toothpaste is $2.99. The Gain 50 ounce is $4.94. Then the Vaseline is $5.29. So the Eucerin here, it became $4.99 because the cashier manually deduct the $3 coupon and also the $3 coupon for Gain because it's beeping. And then she manually print out also my $10 extra box reward. And everything went smoothly and I used 38 extra box reward here. So I paid $1.86 including the tax and it's 98% savings. So I saved $88.62. So I used the $10 extra box reward that I got for the spend 30 and $10 extra box reward that I got from Eucerin and Aquaphor in my second transaction. So in my second transaction, I pick up the bamboo tissue and also I pick up the Maybelline Cosmetic. So the Maybelline Cosmetic is spend 12 and you will get $5 extra box reward and it's a limit of 3. So I pick up the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation and this is priced for $8.79. And then I pick up also the Maybelline lipstick number 376 and 379. And there is a bonus points in Fetch Reward. So this is my note for my Maybelline Cosmetic. So the Maybelline lipstick is priced for $8.19. So the two are $16.38. And the Maybelline Fit Me foundation is priced for $8.79. So my subtotal are $25.17. And then I used the 4 off 25 Maybelline Cosmetic CRT. I used $4 off Maybelline Instant Coupon last Sunday. And then I used 2 off Maybelline Lipstick Manufacturing Coupon from October 18 Retail Me Not Insert. And then I used $2 off Maybelline Manufacturing Coupon for Face from October 18 Retail Me Not. So I paid $11.17 and then I got back $10 extra box reward. I got also 2,000 points or equivalent to $2 in Fetch Reward for buying the Maybelline lipstick, making it free plus 83 cents moneymaker for the Maybelline Cosmetic. So the bubble unbleached bamboo tissue is buy one and get one free. And when you buy 2, you will get $3 extra box reward. And it says limit of 1. But when I pick up 4, it gave me $6 extra box reward. And this is my note for that. So I pick up 4 because I have BOGO coupon. So buy 2 and get 2 free. So it's priced for $10.99. So paying for 2, it's $21.98. And then I use my BOGO coupon. So it deduct $10.99. So I only paid $10.99 for 4 bamboo tissue. And then I got back $6 extra box reward, making it $4.99 for 4 or $1.24 each. And this is the extra box reward that I got. So this one is $6 for buying 2 sets of the bamboo. And the $10 is for the Maybelline Cosmetic for spending $12. And I did it twice. And this is my receipt for that. So here, the bamboo is $10.99. So the 2 are free. And then this is the coupon, the $2, and $2 for Maybelline. And then the BOGO coupon for the toilet tissue. And then the CRT for the Maybelline. And then the $10 is the extra box that I got in the first transaction for the spend 30 and the spend 20. And then I paid $2.23. So this is my third transaction and I used the other card on this deal. So I picked up the Cvs Flashable Wipes because I had 2 CRT that I use for this and it's a freebie. And this is 16 individual cloth. So the flashable cloth is priced for $2.79. And then I used the $2 off feminine wipe CRT. I used the $1 off any feminine wipe CRT. So it's free. And then I pick up again the Maxwell Coffee. So it's 2 for 6. And then I use 2 of $2 printable coupon from coupon.com. And this is the note for that. So I paid $2 for 2 or $1 each. And then I pick up the Hallmark card. So this one is 99 cents. So there's no price at the back, but in the aisle it's 99 cents and it's so cute. This is for kid. So I pick up 2 for kid and the other one is for special someone. So the Hallmark card is buy 3 and you will get $3 extra box reward. So it's priced for 99 cents. So the 3 are $2.97. And then I use 3 of 2 Hallmark card CRT. So it's free and then I get back $3 extra box reward, making it a money maker for Hallmark. And then I pick up also the Gillette Fusion 5. And also I pick up the Gillette Venus Razor. So the Gillette and Venus is buy 2 and you will get $8 extra box reward. And this is my note for that. So the Gillette Fusion is priced for $11.49 and the Venus Razor is priced for $9.99. So my soft total are $21.48. And then I used the 5 of 20 any shape CRT. I used the $3 off Gillette or Venus CRT. And I used the $10 off Gillette manufacturing coupon from October 25 PNG insert. And I used also the $2 off Venus manufacturing coupon from October 25 PNG insert. So I paid $9.48 for 2. And I got back $8 extra box reward, making it $1.48 or 74 cents each. So it's not a bad deal for razor, especially this is not a disposable one. Sorry for that. So I got back this is the extra box for the Gillette and Venus, and then the $3 is for the Hallmark card. So it worked, the 99 cents card worked. And this is my receipt for that. So the Maxwell Coffee is $246, and then the Flashable cloth is $279. The Hallmark is 99 cents, so 3. And then the Gillette and the Venus razor. So my coupon, the $2 for Maxwell, so it does not beep. And then the $2 for the Venus and $2 for the Gillette, and all the CRT work. And then I used $10 extra bucks in this transaction, and I paid $1.55, and it's 96% savings, and I saved $38.34. So it's a money maker in my third transaction. And then I pick up again the bamboo tissue. So I picked this for toilet paper in the other store. And this is my receipt for that. So it's buy one get one free. So I pick up 4 in order for me to use the BOGO coupon. And then this is the BOGO coupon. It deducts $10.99, and I used $10 extra bucks reward, and I paid 99 cents. And then I got again a $6 extra bucks for buying 4. And it's kind of weird because I did not buy U by Kotex feminine pads, but every time I pick up the bamboo tissue, it gives me points, and it says by U by Kotex. So I got 119 points in each bamboo tissue. So maybe they are same manufacturer. That's why it's giving points also in bamboo tissue. So my out-of-pocket for the first, second, third, and fourth transactions are $6.63. And then I got back $2.80 rebate from Ibotta for the Visine and for the Eucerin. And then I got back also 2,000 points in fetch for buying the Maybelline lipstick. It's equivalent to $2. And after deducting the rebate and the reward from fetch, so my total out of pocket now is $1.83. So if you're curious what is the texture of the bamboo tissue, so it's very thick and it's like a paper towel. So since I'm doing painting, so I love using now the bamboo tissue in wiping my hands every time I paint. And we're using this also in our kitchen table because it's thick. It's like a paper towel, the texture of it. And there is no smell, so it's kind of nice. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. And have a blessed day, everyone.